So we will see how we can get ec2 instance information, the associated volumes and then IOP size through a script using a Python Boto3. So let's go to the console. So I'm already having one ec2 instance running here. So let's go to the running instances, and if you click on running instances, you can see that one instance is running, and this instance has only one root volume attached. So let's go to volumes and see, or verify that. So here is our volume. So this is the volume ID, and also you can see the attached instance information in the in other information section. You can see that is our instance ID. So now to fetch this information using a Boto3 Python library, let's see how we can do that. So we'll import Boto3, and then I have already configured my credentials in AWS CLI, and you may need to configure this before doing the running the script. So here I am getting the instance information, and the script is available in the script path is available in under the video section. You might download it. So now you can see this is the volume we got, and if you verify it, so this and the associated instance ID, we can also verify this.